Different shearing systems have different functions. The following will introduce what types of shearing systems there are, and what equipment they can be used in. Hydraulic fly punching and shearing. The hydraulic parts use high-efficiency environmental protection energy storage type hydraulic system. Fly punching for the fly shearing system. The system including fly punch and fly shearing system. Make it high-speed output. 2 fly punching stations will be included for the high-speed production. Shearing method, servo follow cut without stop the machine. The blade material is CR12 MOB with quenching treatment, hardness up to HRC60. Following shearing. Shearing method, servo follow cut without stop the machine. The blade material is high standard mold steel with quenching treatment, hardness up to HRC60. Taiwan TBI liner rail, and ball screw liner with lubrication device. Precision shearing with saw blade. Suitable for equipment with thick raw materials. The saw blade cutting method is adaptable to thicker coils, and can handle materials of various thicknesses, from coils of a few millimeters to effective cutting without damaging the coil. For thick coils, the saw blade cutting method usually provides fast processing speeds, and can quickly complete the cutting of the material. At the same time, the saw blade material has high precision, durable quality and long service life. Bending shearing, driven by a hydraulic system. A precision machine bending die is added to the shearing system while ensuring cutting accuracy. It bends the edge of the coil while shearing to meet different production needs. In summary, the above is an introduction to all the different shearing methods in the molding machine. We can provide different design solutions according to your needs. Welcome to Choose KINGREAL.